Hello, today I'm gonna prepare for you an oat milk recipe which is fantastic. For this we need 100 grams of rolled oats, 1 liter of water, and in case you like a little bit sweeter, add 2 or 3 dates which are naturally sweet and makes the taste perfect. Add to a blender the rolled oats, the dates and the water and blend it in medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes until the water will become white, actually like a real milk. Then take a bowl and a double mesh strainer. Also a muslin cloth will do the job, and strain it well. After straining, you can put into a container and you can refrigerate it for 2 to 3 days in your fridge, or use it as it is directly for your other vegan recipes. You can make vegan cakes or vegan pancakes, everything you wish with that. Enjoy!